Hey y'all, it's John Deere 330. This is going to be a cold start on the John Deere 60. Well, this is going to be a cold start, like I already done said. Feel that? Little tiny exhaust. I'm going to have one of our friends who has a bunch of lawn tractors. I'm going to have him put dual exhaust on this thing. It's probably going to go from underneath. I don't think I'm going to have stacks. But anyways, it's long enough. Open this up, and I put actually when I restored it and took it to Mike's farm, I forgot to put these little metal pieces here, and now since I put both of them on there, the hood doesn't go all the way to the grill, as you can see. So I'll prove you. See how it moves and hits that, oopsie, hits that nut head there. That's what it's supposed to be like. So I was messing around in the shop the other day, and I was working on 210 and finding some parts, and that was in my trailer over there. So here's a cold start. Almost. Come on. There you go. Cold start. Oopsie. The engine's still not quite right, but it's good enough for now. I still gotta get 4 sets of tires, well, 2 sets of tires, 2 for back, 2 for front. Well, let me just cut this off and talk. Anyways, like I was saying, I gotta get 2 new front tires and rims, and 2 new back tires. I'm gonna put ags on the back, and rib tires on the front. And I still gotta get a seat. That's the only things I know I need on this. Oh, and decal on the front. Goes on the grill there, in this area. So yeah, that's another cold start on the 60 there. Thanks for watching. Y'all rate, comment, subscribe. Oh, you probably wondering what that right there is. That's the belt. The pulley on the bottom of it fell off one day I was riding around. I can't remember if I made a video on this or not, but anyway, this is about 2 months ago, and she ain't run around since. Anyways, I just gotta put the pulley back on, that's all, and get a key for it. Anyways, thanks for watching. Y'all rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll talk to y'all later. Y'all come back now here. Bye.